This is a quick, simple recipe for the Ninja Foodie. It's called Man-Pleasing Chicken, and it's a sweet and tangy chicken recipe using 3 ingredients in the sauce: rice vinegar, maple syrup, and the Dijon mustard. We're mixing together 3/4 of a cup of Dijon mustard, 3/4 of a cup of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. We're using 2.5 pounds of chicken thighs cut up into 1-inch chunks. And the chicken thighs were partially frozen. They had just started to thaw a bit. Now we're going to put the sauce in. All right, we gave it a little stir. Now we're going to close it up. We put the pressure lid on, locked it, and now we're going to set it for 15 minutes. So I'm going to hit the pressure button. It's on high, and I'm going to do it for 15. Now I'm going to hit the start button, and right now it's pressurizing. And I'll let you see what it looks like when it's done. After 15 minutes pressure cook, I then put it on sear saute, and I have the lid off, and I'm just letting it thicken up a bit while the rice is finishing up cooking. The sauce is thickening now. It's boiling off the extra juice from the chicken. I'm stirring it every once in a while because I don't want it to stick. I want to say it's about 10 more minutes that I simmered it just to thicken it. And I have the pot off now. So now it's nice and creamy, so it'll stick to that rice. And that just got rid of some of that steam, the extra liquid in here. It just steamed it away. So it steamed up all the liquid, and now it's a little creamy. You could even thicken it up with some cornstarch or a little bit of flour. But I just steamed it while I was waiting for my rice. I did some rice that took 25 minutes. Brown rice. I'm serving it over. Yeah. And there it is. Bon appetit.